back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Monique Nicole. If this is your first time tuning in, make sure you stop what you're doing and you press that subscribe button. Also make sure you click that bell for that notification link. So today I'm going to be doing a quick DIY Halloween costume, and this is going to be inspired by the movie Saw, and I'm going to be playing, the little puppet guy Jigsaw. So I'm going to be doing something like really quick, really fun. I'm pretty sure you might have some of these pieces already in your closet. And this is part of my 31 days of Halloween slay. So I want to show you before we even get started is part of my costume. Okay. So right now I have like a really long suit jacket. It has like one of those long split coattails, in the back. This was actually my aunt's. I'm always taking stuff out of my aunt's closet. And I have a white button up. I have some red suspenders that I used from one of my other DIYs, which was my mime DIY. And then I have like a black pencil skirt. And I have this cute bow tie that, is red sequins. It's actually like a hair clip, but I'm going to use it as a bow tie. And I'll probably put on some, maybe some red shoes or something like that. I don't know. I have to look in my closet. But let's get started. Hey everyone. So I'm going to be starting off with a bare face because I'm going to be covering my face with white Snazzy body paint. So I'm going to be taking this body paint and I'm going to be using a foundation brush. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to make sure I cover my whole face. Now keep in mind, I don't want a complete solid white face. So I'm going to just drag it over like one stroke so that way it can look a little streaky. That way it looks like old rusted white paint. So okay, I did the rest of my face off camera and this is how it looks dry. So now what I'm about to do is I'm going to actually color in my eyebrows so that they can stick out. I'm going to be using my ankle paintbrush to color in my eyebrows with black Snazzy paint. Now as you already know, it's always tough trying to outline your eyebrows because you have to make sure that the other one matches. So now both eyebrows are done and they look more pronounced. So now I'm going to go ahead with the shadowing of my eyes. I'm just going to be using my Revolution's Natural palette, and I'm going to be using the darkest colors in the corner. So I'm going to be using the blacks and the dark grays. And with this method, you just kind of have to go with like a shadowiness. So it's kind of fun and kind of easy. So now both eyes are done. So if you're on your way of looking half dead, then you're definitely on the right track. So now what we are going to do is we're just going to actually contour the nose just to make the nose smaller. Now I already have a tiny nose, but I kind of just want to bring in a little bit more just to bring in the shadowing on both sides of my nostrils. Alright, so now the contouring of the nose is done. The next what we are about to do is we're actually going to go into shadowing around the face. Like I said, we want to make the face look like rustic paint on a doll. So we're just going to take the same black eyeshadow and gray eyeshadow and go around the perimeter of my face. And you don't have to necessarily use this brush, I just didn't feel like grabbing another one. all done, I'm going to switch to coloring and I'm going to go to my lips. So I'm going to be using my Red Nazarene face paint, and I'm going to be using a different paintbrush. Now I'm going to be over outlining my lips and make them appear a lot larger than what they are. Alright, so this is how the face should look so far. So now we have to add 2 more things and then our face will be complete. So I'm just letting this dry a little bit, and then now I'm going to be taking my black Nazarene face painted again, and I'm going to be drawing lines from the bottom of the corner of my nose, from my mouth to my chin on the right side and left side. This way it will appear as if I'm giving myself a puppet mouth. So now I'm going back in with my gray and black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to be doing some shadowing along the lines of my mouth. So here I am with it all completed. Next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the spiral circles on my cheeks. Keep in mind, use a thin paintbrush, and once you start, make sure you don't stop, because it will be hard to try to pick up where you left off. So just keep dragging it around and dragging it around. And do the same concept on the other side of your face. So hey y'all, this is my final look, and I feel like I did a pretty good job. As you can see, it was very quick, very easy. I love the way how I did the white stroke of the brush. That way it didn't seem too much of a solid white face, and it kind of gave me like that rusty old painted doll face look. I feel like what really brought it all together was the swirly circle loopy loop thing on the cheeks. It brings it all together. As far as your outfit, as I say, use what you have inside of your house. You know, raid like a best friend's or an aunt's closet or something, just to find the pieces that you need. And yeah, and just try to put it all together. I am using a couple pieces that I've used in a couple other DIYs, like the gloves and the suspenders that I used for my mom costume. And the skirt I actually used for my Bernadine Rage's costume. So you can recycle a couple pieces, especially if you have to go to a couple different Halloween parties. But let me know what you think about this look. So yes, and if you want more details about this hair, I will definitely put the review to this hair in the description box below. But you know, let me know what you think. Let me know that I do a good job. Let me slay. I would say use the bow tie emoji in the comment section to let me know that you liked this review, or I think there's a pair of red lips emojis. If so, use that as well, or a bicycle emoji. Use one of those three, or just say you like it. But yeah, I'm really digging this jigsaw puzzle, you know, type of look, this makeup. I think I did a good job. I think I'm always gonna say I did a good job because it takes a lot to take what's inside of your head to try to execute for the whole world to see. So I'm proud of me. But if you like this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you check on my other DIYs and hair reviews of this whole month of October. And yeah, like I say at the end of all of my videos, make sure you stay positive. Also, make sure you stay beautiful. And happy Halloween. Bye.